IELTS preparation. General climate change vocabulary. Climate change is a significant topic frequently covered in society and the media. It's also a common subject on the IELTS exam, making it crucial to understand and use the right terminology. This video introduces key vocabulary and phrases related to climate change, along with activities to help you practice using them effectively in context. Chemical natural fertilizer. Definition: a substance containing chemicals or a natural substance used to increase the amount of crops. Usage: farmers often use chemical fertilizers to boost crop production, but some prefer natural fertilizers for organic farming. Used as a noun to describe substances that enhance plant growth, commonly used in agriculture. CO2/carbon dioxide. Definition: a gas produced when carbon is burnt and absorbed by plants during photosynthesis. Usage: carbon dioxide emissions from factories contribute to global warming, but plants play a role in reducing CO2 levels. Used as a noun to refer to an essential gas in the carbon cycle. Contaminate. Definition: to make something impure by adding pollutants or unwanted substances. Usage: the factory's waste began to contaminate the nearby river, affecting aquatic life. Used as a verb to describe the act of polluting or tainting something. Crops. Definition: plants grown as food or for commercial purposes. Usage: corn and wheat are staple crops in many parts of the world. Used as a noun to refer to agricultural plants cultivated for human or animal consumption. Deforestation. Definition: the cutting down of trees and forests, often to make land available for other uses. Usage: deforestation contributes to habitat loss and increased carbon dioxide levels. Used as a noun to describe large-scale tree removal. Ecosystems. Definition: a community of organisms and their interactions with the environment. Usage: protecting ecosystems is crucial for maintaining biodiversity and ecological balance. Used as a noun to describe interconnected biological systems. Fossil fuels. Definition: natural fuels formed from decomposed organisms such as oil, gas, and coal. Usage: switching from fossil fuels to renewable energy helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Used as a noun to describe non-renewable energy sources. Global warming. Definition: the gradual increase in the Earth's temperature due to human activities and natural factors. Usage: scientists are studying the impacts of global warming on polar ice caps and sea levels. Used as a noun to discuss climate change-related phenomena. Grazing. Definition: land where farm animals eat grass and plants. Usage: the rancher managed vast areas of grazing land for his cattle. Used as a noun to describe land designated for feeding livestock. Groundwater. Definition: water stored underground in soil or rock layers. Usage: farmers often rely on groundwater for irrigation during dry seasons. Used as a noun to describe a key water resource beneath the surface. Land degradation. Definition: the reduction in soil's biological productivity due to human or natural causes. Usage: land degradation can result from overgrazing or unsustainable farming practices. Used as a noun to describe the decline in soil quality. Landslides. Definition: the rapid movement of rocks and earth down a slope, often triggered by heavy rain or seismic activity. Usage: the town was evacuated due to the risk of landslides following the storm. Used as a noun to describe a type of geological hazard. Organic. Definition: produced without the use of synthetic chemicals. Usage: organic vegetables are often preferred for their natural growth process. Used as an adjective to describe natural, chemical-free products. Sustainable. Definition: capable of being maintained without causing harm to the environment. Usage: adopting sustainable farming practices helps conserve resources for future generations. Used as an adjective to describe eco-friendly practices. Water bodies. Definition: geographical features containing water, such as rivers, lakes, and ponds. Usage: water bodies like lakes and streams are crucial for local ecosystems. Used as a noun to refer to natural or artificial water-containing features. Exercise 1. Is the environment a big concern in your country? Choose the correct answer to complete the questions. Words: deforestation, water bodies, grazing, organic, crops, contaminate, ecosystem, natural fertilize, deforestation. In recent years, environmental issues have become increasingly pressing. Is a major problem, as large areas of forests are being cleared to create land and grow. These practices, along with industrial activities, often nearby, making them unfit for use and harming local ecosystems. The in affected areas struggles to recover, leading to irreversible damage. To counter this, more people are turning to produce and using, but these sustainable solutions are not yet widely implemented. Pause the video and take your time to answer. Answer: in recent years, environmental issues have become increasingly pressing. Deforestation is a major problem, as large areas of forests are being cleared to create grazing land and grow crops. These practices, along with industrial activities, often contaminate nearby water bodies, making them unfit for use and harming local ecosystems. The ecosystem in affected areas struggles to recover, leading to irreversible damage. To counter this, more people are turning to organic produce and using natural fertilizers, but these sustainable solutions are not yet widely implemented. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up and subscribe for more English practice exercises.